Hi everyone, SD Mountain Man. So just a quick unboxing a new BPS knife I got picked up. It's a oh boy, my contacts. BPS knives HK 1.8 camping Scandinavian grind. Let me put it up now, bring it up closer. I'm kind of curious. In the pictures, it kind of had the kind of design I'd look for if I was going to try and build. You know, other than I like the cap art style and stuff like that, and the mortars and that. But it had kind of a belly to it for skinning and stuff like that, and a flat spot. Not real defined, but dang. Tell you what, their sheaths. For the price of the whole knife and the sheath, it's like I'd pay that just for the sheath sometimes. Tell you what, that's some good stuff. Yeah, okay. It is smaller than I imagined. I guess I should have looked at the dimensions, but let me show you here. You see kind of the flat spot right here, and then it kind of the round belly to it. Hopefully that shows up. It's got some thumb jimping. Got a hole for a lanyard. I kind of like, there's one I've been looking at, trying to think what that is now. It's got just a little piece out the back, and it's got a lanyard hole, but just a little piece of it. That way, if you did one, I'd like had to pop something a little bit, nut open or something. But hope that's showing up. Anyway, I can't afford the real expensive knives and stuff like that, but these are kind of fun to play with. I got 2 lemons in the fridge right now I picked up out of the expired stuff that came, was it Friday? So this is going to be a lemon patina is what this one's going to have on it. And look at that. Just real, I mean, real nice sheets. Brass ring on there, brass rivet. Yeah, good stuff. Like I said, I'm gonna clean this up. I'll probably take the scales off. That's just kind of a quick video. I gotta run to a VFW meeting, but just quick get this out. As long as I got nice weather to come out to shelter and do this for a minute. But I'm gonna take the scales off, give them a little sand, just to smooth them out a little bit, like I always do, and then soak them in boiled linseed oil, and I'll clean this up good this time. Dishwater, dish soap, whatever, and a little alcohol, and then get the lemon treatment to it and see what happens. Kind of curious how this turns out. Got a nice fit. My hands aren't that real huge, but that could be a little bit small maybe, but it fits real good. So I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Just figured I'd throw it out there. Take care, everybody. Have a great week.